guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited for today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look right here, and it's super simple, super fast to achieve. So I will show you guys how I achieved this look, and the inner corner is not necessary, but it definitely added a little artistic twist to it. So first things first, I am priming my eyelids, and I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I did set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm picking up the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm going into this dusty pink shade right here and this fluffy brush. And I'm just going to be applying this onto my outer crease, and I am concentrating this onto the outer corner, so I am just not really bringing it in any farther than half of my eyelid. I wanted to just keep this concentrated on that outer corner, and I'm just slowly building depth but still keeping it pretty low, and whatever I have left over on my brush is what I'm dragging inward. Next, I'm going in with this dark brown eyeshadow and this small tapered brush, and I'm just going to be starting to build depth on that outer corner. So I'm just concentrating this on that outer V, and we're going to slowly diffuse this color, but first I'm just kind of laying down the pigment and just laying it down exactly where I want it. Next, I'm going back into that big fluffy brush that we applied our first transition color, and I'm picking up a little bit more of that dusty pink shade, and I'm just going over top of those two shades and just really merging them together, and then going back in with a pencil brush and some more of that dark brown eyeshadow and just adding more depth once again. And then next, I'm picking up this small tapered brush and the yellow eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this onto my inner corner, and I'm applying it in a very similar way to how we applied that shadow on that outer corner. So just really concentrating that just on the very inner part of the eye. And then I'm picking up my Schwing liner by the Balm, and I just created my wing. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. If you guys want to check those out, link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm applying my Seymour Love Letters eyeliner by the Balm in my waterline, which is just a really pretty bronzy brown eye pencil. And then for my lower lash line, I'm doing the same shades that we applied in the crease. So first that dusty pink shade, and then going into that light brown eyeshadow and just really smudging that as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And the very last step for this look, I just ran my spoolie through some Dove bar soap and then ran it through my brow. And this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you watched to the very end, thank you so much. And also, guys, we have monthly giveaways here on our channel, so if you want to be entered, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Good luck, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!